Hey, I'm Shane, and despite what my personality and level of maturity might tell you, I am a grown man. And today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. More specifically, we're going to be making clear slime, so let's get right to it. The first thing I did was prepare an activator, a slime activator. This is just hot water and borax. Now I heard that you had to use hot water and not warm water, so I boiled some water and then let it cool for like 3 seconds. But because I'm an idiot, I poured it in the container not thinking, hey, this is boiling water, and I melted the bottle a little bit. It was way too hot. So don't do that. Don't boil the water first. Just warm it up a little bit. Hot water from the tap works. The next thing we do is we pour clear Elmer's glue into a container and then add equal parts of Elmer's glue to water. So we put the same amount of warm water, not boiling water, warm water into the container with the Elmer's glue. We're gonna mix it up a lot, and then we're gonna add little bits of the activator, a little bit at a time. Finally, it's time to color our slime. Now, I wanted a nice bright red slime, so the best way to color that was with a little bit of human blood. Don't worry, if you don't have human blood, you can use like food dyes or whatever other colorings you got available to you. Once our slime is set, colored, and all ready to go, we can use it for whatever creative purposes we want, even if that's a Slime Rancher video. Make sure you make a Slime Rancher video using your slime. And that's all for today. Now you know how to make some clear, human blood-colored slime. I'll see you in the next video. It's a Slime Rancher video. Shh. Next, we're gonna add equal... Wow, that's super loud wind. Just give that a second. Quiet down, wind. We're trying to do a video. Keep it down! Stupid wind! Keep it down.